Are you filming?
Yep.
Hey everybody, Marc Adams. I want to show you a cool little fixture that you can make to help accurately cut dovetails, the pins, without having to lay them out first. Now, just so you know, you've seen a handful of our quick little demos. It's my little cousin Diane on the other side back here that you don't ever get to see, and she does a wonderful job for us. But let me show you what I've done. I've taken a piece of wood, and I've gone to the table saw, and I've made two cuts. One cut in one way, lowered the blade down, one cut in the other way, and that creates an L. With my L, I could go to my chop saw. I could choose any angle, and I just happen today to choose 11. So I'm going to move this over to 11 degrees. I'm going to take this, put it into place, tie it up against the control of the fence, and I'm going to make a cut. Once the blade's completely stopped, I'll come back up. I'm going to move to 11 degrees to this side. I'm going to make another cut. I have to bring this over to give myself a little bit of width. And I'll make the next cut. And so right there's my fixture. So let me show you how it works. So we have to go back over to my workbench. And these are some dovetail joints where you can see how this works. But I'm just going to put it into place, and I'm going to use it like training wheels to hold my saw against it while I make this cut. I can cut down however far I want. I'll just bring it around to this side, and I'll come back. Do the same thing again. I can come back over here, do it again. Come back over here, do it again. This has this kind of an accuracy. Let me show you something. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to make a cut. I'm going to bring this on from the other side and I'm going to make the same cut again, but this time notice how close and how thin those lines are. They're both perfectly parallel with each other. That's the degree of accuracy I can have using a little block like this to help me cut true dovetails. Until next time.